Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how to generate random numbers by using random class. So as we know that for generating random numbers we have three methods, and in the previous video we have seen the random class for generating random numbers. In this video we are going to use ThreadLocalRandom class for generating random numbers. So our main focus will be to generate 6-digit OTPs. How 6-digit OTPs used to generate, that will be our motive. Okay, so for using this thread local random class we have to import java.util.concurrent.ThreadLocalRandom package. So I am just creating a new Java class. I am giving name as random number demo. Let's minimize it. Yeah, so before before writing our main method we have to import the package, right? So import java.util.concurrent thread local random. Here you can see we have the class. After importing our package we can write our main method. Now we can just write a system.out.println statement in which we can write a statement like 6 digit OTP is. After that we can generate our random numbers. For generating random numbers we can use the class name, that is thread local random. Then we can use current and next int. There are many methods. You can generate random int values, even double values, boolean values, float values, Gaussian values, long values. So I'm using int value. You can explore uh, uh, the remaining data types also. You can go for float, you can go for double. Here you can see for int we have three methods. First one, there is no uh, parameters inside this method. Another one is inbound. In the previous video we have used this one, but in this video we are going to use the origin and bound method. So for this we have to give the minimum value. As we are going to generate 6-digit number, so we have to give the minimum 6-digit number, that is 1 and 5 zeros, then the maximum 6-digit number, that is 6 nines, right? So we are done with our program. Now we can execute it. So only for 6 lines of code you have to write. Here you can see we got our 6-digit out OTP. Right? I am running the program one more time. See, this time the number is changed. And one more time, the origin should be minimum than the bound value. If we give it is 30 and the bound value is 10, then it will show us error. Okay, you can see we got an error that bound must be greater than origin. So the bound value should be must be greater than the origin value. Okay, if you go like this 10 and 30, then it will execute without any error. You can see we got our number. So like that you can generate any digit of number, 2 digit, 1 digit, or even 4 digit, as per your wish. So that's all for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.